Hello guys, my name is Kumar. You're watching me. Let's start today's routine video without having the further delay. So in this video, I'm going to tell you the routine of 28th July 2024. Sorry, not 28th July. That is 28th August 2024 of the day 266. So basically, guys, I know that you are looking something new on my behind. So basically, what is actually? Let me tell you. The thing is that that's my chair. I have also the same chair. I'll use the both of the chair, but yeah. So this is the new chair, and today I'll tell you how we purchased this chair in the throughout the whole video. So yeah, without having the further delay, let's start registering video without having the further delay. So basically, guys, yeah. So basically today I woke up at around 9:48. Okay, so basically maybe around 9:48. Okay, so basically why I woke up at very late, just this is the simple thing. Last night I studied for the late night around 2:30, maybe around 2:30 a.m. So I've watched some lectures and all the kinds of things. Yeah, and basically this is the thing. So I went for this sleep very late night. So this is the reason why I woke up at very late in the morning. So basically, guys, this is a thing which was actually happened today at the time of morning. So after having this some time, wait, guys. Yeah, after having this some time, I went to the ground floor, and yeah, I was just there, and yeah, after that I didn't do too much thing, and after that, uh, you know. Maybe went to the bathroom. I don't know exactly about it. After that, I brought my clothes. Basically, I already brought my clothes when I went to ground floor at the first time of today. So basically, I went there, and after that, maybe I went to the bathroom. I don't know exactly about it. After that, I washed my mouth, and after that, I had taken the bath, and after that, I worshipped in a very proper manner. After that, my mother brought food for me. So what's today? My mother cooked me, that is chole and chole chawal. That is, I don't know what we call chola in English, but that is rice. Okay, so rice with chola. Okay, so basically this is a thing which was actually happened, but I will try to translate chola very soon. Basically, I know that I have translated before chola, but I do maybe I did not get the proper word of the chola. But yeah, I'll really do something for I'll really try to translate chola. Okay, so after that I didn't done too much thing. Basically I've tried to check one of the live lectures of the YouTube, but due to some technical issue maybe that was not happened. So yeah, basically this is the thing which was actually happened on the time. Yeah, so after that what actually happened, so the thing is, I just went to the first floor and I tried to lay down, and yeah, I didn't do too much thing. After that I didn't do too much thing. After that my mother came, and after that I went to the ground floor, and I went with my mother bang due to some reasons. After that we came home, and yeah, after that my mother, basically my mother already told me that, not after that, my mother already told me that today I have to purchase chair at any case, because I'm telling to my mother, I told my mother about the chair. So so basically she went with me to the Uttam Nagar for purchasing. So we have purchased this chair, and after that we didn't do too much thing. Basically after purchasing this chair, we came home, but at the time of came when I was about to reach out from Uttam Nagar to home. So on that time, very heavy rain happens, very heavy rains. I can't imagine that this such kind of heavy rains could be happen. Basically the chair is situated to the e-rickshaw, and my mother sat down to the e-rickshaw, and rickshaw driver also ready for the driving. But due to this, not due to the some reason, basically rain happens and it's natural. So after having this some time, so we went from there, and yeah, basically this is the thing which was actually happened today. We went from there, and after that we came home, and I brought this chair to my home, and I've situated at the right place. So basically guys, this is the thing which was actually happened till yet. And after that what I had done today, let me remember it. Basically after came home, my mother gave me money so that I can, uh, basically she told me that go, and if you want to eat Maggie then eat. So after that I told to my father, can you please brought Maggie for me. After that he brought Maggie for me, and after that I cooked Maggie, and after that I ate Maggie. While eating the Maggie, I watched TV. So after that I didn't learn too much thing. After that I went to the first floor, and after that maybe I studied, and after that I went to the ground floor again. I went to the first floor and I studied, and after that I went to the ground floor, and maybe on the same time maybe there is someone's call came, and yeah, that's why I went to the ground floor. And yeah, basically this is the thing which was actually happening. Again I went to the first floor, again I went to the ground floor. And what I had done, basically after going to the ground floor, I just spent my time with my family. So after that I ate food. What I ate today I ate, that is fried brinjal potato. Okay. And also last night fried brinjal, and these both the things I ate with roti. Okay. So basically guys, this is the thing which was actually happened till yet. And after that I didn't learn too much thing. I just basically before eating the food I filled the 2 bucket of water, and after that I ate the food. And yeah, after eating the food I spent my time with my family. I also watched the TV. And after that I came after that I went for doing the pay. Okay. So after that I came home, and after that I came to the first floor, and after that I studied, and after that I started shooting the video. So basically guys, this is the thing which was actually happened today. I hope you really understand till yet. If you really understand till yet, then kindly please like it, because if you like some videos, it really motivates me and encourages me to upload more and more videos in a continuously manner. And I as already told you how I purchased this chair throughout the whole video, and you already knew that I daily learn 5 to 10 day vocabulary in a day. And but nowadays I am learning only five vocabulary. Because if I learn daily 10 vocabulary, then after having this some time, it's too burden to remind everything. So that's why I'm taking a small step. So, yeah. So let's check it. So yeah, wait guys. So yeah guys, I have some confusion here that I will already learned this before or not, but we will revise. I think that maybe I'm not started from here, but let's revise. Yeah. So since, our first word is since. Now what we call since in Hindi, that is tab se. I'm doing this work from 1991. सॉरी, मैं ये काम 1991 से कर रहा हूँ, और एज वेल एज तब से कर रहा हूँ. आई एम डूइंग दिस वर्क सिंस 1991. Maybe I had this example wrong, but I don't think that it's wrong. Maybe it's wrong. So our second example is expected. Expected means उम्मीद. तुम मुझसे उम्मीद मत लगाओ कि मैं तुम्हारा काम कर दूंगा. Don't expect me to that I'll do work your. Don't expect me that I do your work. तुम मुझसे उम्मीद नहीं लगाओ कि मैं तुम्हारा काम करूंगा. That means it's future. Don't expect to me that I'll do your work. Okay. So our third word is scary. Scary means guys डरावना. तुम डरावने वीडियोस रात के समय क्यों देखते हो? Why do you watch scary videos at the time of night? मुझे तुम्हारी मम्मी ने बताया, जब तुम डरावनी वीडियो देखते हो उसके कुछ समय बाद तुम्हें बहुत डर लगता है. Your mother told me that when you watch scary videos, after having the few times, you feels very scared. So मेरी तुमसे यही सलाह है कि तुम डरावनी वीडियो देखना बंद कर दो. So my advice to you that please stop watching the, not please, I'm just giving advice. So my advice is, my only advice is to just my advice is only that you stop watching scary videos. Yeah. Our fourth word is ashamed. Ashamed means guys शर्मिंदा. So शर्मिंदा, क्या तुम्हें यह सब करके क्या तुम शर्मिंदा हो? आर यू असेम्ड? मैं शर्मिंदा क्यों होऊंगा जबकि मेरी कोई गलती भी नहीं है? वाई आई असेम्ड? if I do not done any mistake. Yeah. Our last but not least, that is onwards. Onwards in Hindi, that is से आगे. onwards इसके इस रोड से आगे जाओ. go onwards this road. So yeah guys, we have completed, 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 we have completed today's 5 words. And I know that it's enough for today. So and you know guys, this is the first day of shooting this video, but a part of this, we are continuously shooting the video, and today we have completed day 266. But it is not mean that if I get this chair, then I'll always shoot this shoot the video from this chair as always. I'll shoot my first chair also. So yeah, it's all is it is all from which chair I have to shoot video. It is all decided by my mood. So yeah, so basically I have a, so this is the new chair. And yeah, so basically guys, today is the Friday. Okay, so from Monday maybe I'll give you I'll I, I'll give you some surprise that I'm gonna to do something. So from Monday, let's wait guys. So let's so I think that it is enough for today. So let's end the video guys. Sri Radhe, bye bye.